we are, season 2. I am so excited because today, you guys, I have a classic. Season 2 is gonna be different. I'm gonna introduce you to some very cool, very sexy, very unique cars. And today, we're gonna start with this one. Today is a great day. The reason why I picked the Ford Bronco to be my first pick for season 2 is because it's so iconic. One of the things I love about the front is the proportions. I really love how high the car is, but this one is redone. Obviously, this one is more modern, it's new, it's got a new high-tech feeling, but I still love how it keeps the vintage, historic, classic kind of lines to the original Bronco. Okay, one of the other things that I really want to talk about is the body color. It is a denim blue, it's beautiful in person, it looks great in the sun, I might have to say, but it is really nice because it shows off the very horizontal lines that are iconic for this Bronco. The other thing is I like the combination of black logos. Again, a little bit of splash of red, which is very consistent with the car. It's just got a really cool, sexy, boxy feeling on the side. It still has its iconic windows. It's just got a lot of really nice features. One of the things, of course, you'll notice is how big the tires are, which I think is super sexy. So this is a 35-inch tire with a 17-inch wheel, which I think is super cool. One of the best features is when you open the door, because the wheels are so high, look at that. It's for us girls that gotta get in. Welcome to this beautiful interior. You guys, let me just tell you, this thing is so cool and so stealthy. I just love all the attention. First, we have to talk about the interior color. So everything has been rewrapped and restored in this beautiful brown color, but just the attention to detail with the denim blue exterior is so nice. And I love the contrast between the brown and the blue for the exterior. Just really nice detail. One of the best things about this interior is how well it's restored, but it's really keeping true to the original design form. Check out this instrument panel. So you'll see this is where the original dial was, but he updated it. It's very modern. It even gives you the temperature, the time, everything is now new, even keeping like the radio, but it's just nice little details. But in the original setting, not changing the actual like design aesthetic too much, I think is really nice. I mean, it's just really well done. It's got the old seat belts, which I think is really charming and cool. The shifter is like old school. I just think all the charming details is so nicely done. If you know me, you know I always check the visor, but this visor is super cool because it's polarized and it moves a lot around. I actually think it's very cool. It has no mirror, but I think I could live without it. One of the other things I really like in the attention to detail for this car is the headliner. It's not very normal that you have a suede headliner in a Bronco, but it's such a great touch. The other thing is it's a really nice contrast with this super high contrast glossy black roll bar, which I think is a nice contrast up here. It has all the amenities a girl would need. Let me just show you. First of all, the things I think about is a USB port and a heated seat. We got both. If you look right here, this is the heated seat control. You can just control, like roll it up, and then also the USB port. Everything you need right here in a cool, vintage, chic, modern, super sexy Bronco. I don't know, Daniel. I think we should go drive this car. What do you think?
I think that's a great plan.
Let's go have some fun. Wow. I just got driving this 1972 Ford Bronco. Huge shout out to Leo and his wife for letting me drive this incredible car. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe so you can check out my next episode. See you later.